In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a newsletter on Substack. To begin, open your Substack dashboard. On the left sidebar, you'll see a section that organizes everything you publish. Click Post to enter the home base for your newsletter content. This is where drafts, scheduled items, and anything you've already sent will live. So it's a good habit to start here before composing. Next, create your first piece. Look for the New Post button at the top. Clicking it opens the Substack editor, a clean writing space that auto-saves as you go. You'll notice prompts for a title, a subtitle, and the body of your newsletter. Start by writing a clear, benefit-driven title. Your title should tell readers exactly what they'll gain in as few words as possible. Right beneath it, add a subtitle to expand on the promise. Think of it as your elevator pitch in one sentence. Then move into the body. Lead with a strong hook. Keep paragraphs short for readability on mobile, and use formatting like headers or emphasis sparingly to guide the eye. If you reference sources or tools, add links directly in the editor so readers can follow along. Aim to deliver value quickly and close with a simple call to action, such as inviting replies or sharing the post. When your draft feels ready, click Continue. This takes you to the sending screen, where you confirm how the post will be distributed. Pause here to scan for typos or missing links. A quick check can save you a correction email later. For this walkthrough, choose paid subscribers only. Selecting this option restricts the full post to your paying audience. It's a strong choice when the piece delivers premium insights, templates, or analysis that your most engaged readers expect. If you're still building momentum, consider how this fits your strategy. Consistent value behind the paywall encourages upgrades, while occasional free posts help new readers discover you. Today, we're keeping it paid. Finally, click Send. Substack will deliver the post to the inboxes of your subscribers and publish it to your site at the same time, ensuring it's discoverable on the web and convenient by email. After it goes out, you'll see engagement build as people open, read, and respond. That's it. You've created, set the audience, and sent your first Substack newsletter. Repeat this simple flow each time you publish, and you'll develop a reliable cadence your readers can trust. Thanks for watching, and happy writing.